Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Cliffles the Baking Bear. Well, it's a weird time of year, so I thought today I'm going to show you how to make pizza dough. It's real simple to make. There's only a few ingredients you have to have, and you can make your own homemade pizza dough. You'll need a pound of flour, 1 ounce of oil, a little over 8 ounces of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And that's all there is to making pizza dough. So let's get started. I have 1 pound of all-purpose flour. Now, if you can find some bread flour, you can actually do 8 ounces of bread flour and 8 ounces of all-purpose flour. But we're just going to use all-purpose flour for now. Then we're going to add, it all goes in at the same time, we're going to add our sugar, our yeast, and our salt. Now you notice we get to use something different today, my little baking cubs, and I hope you're watching and I hope you're having a good time at home. We're using a dough hook. Now if you don't have a machine with a dough hook, you can actually mix this in a bowl all by hand and knead it till it comes to the right consistency. But today we're using the mixer with the dough hook. So we get it going and that mixes everything together. And the only next step is we're going to add our little over 8 ounces of water and our 1 ounce of oil. I'm using a vegetable oil today. So let me get it going here. And it's mixing together a little bit longer. And then once I get everything together, combined, we're gonna let it mix on medium speed for about 8 minutes, okay? So, I tell you what, I'll see you back here in 8 minutes. Hang tight, everybody. Hi, everybody. It's been about 8 minutes. You want to mix your dough on about medium speed for 7 to 8 minutes. So, I'm going to show you how to check to see if your dough is ready. We'll get it off of there, get it off the dough hook, and we pull it out. And one way you can check to see if a dough is ready is pull a little bit off, round it, and then gently pull it apart. This is called the window test. So if you can pull it apart like this and it's not tearing on you, you want it to look like that where you can almost see through it toward this little bit, but it's good. Now to make individual pizzas, we want to weigh them out at about 9 ounces. So that's at 9 ounces. And a little bit more. So in the batch I gave you, you should end up with roughly 3 9-ounce pizza balls. Of course, if you want 6 9-ounce pizza balls, you would double that recipe. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to round it, just like that. Take them and we round them, just like that. Ooh, this dough feels really good. It's nice. Feels good. Now, I'm going to take a pan that I've sprayed and I'm going to put my little pizza balls on that pan, and then I'm going to take some more spray and I'm going to just spray the tops so they don't dry out, and then I'm going to take a little plastic wrap here. Come on, get off of there, plastic wrap. So I'm going to take a little plastic wrap and we're going to cover them. And you're going to let these sit out until they about double in size. Once they double in size, they're good to go. You just take them, roll them out, put your toppings, and into the oven. What I would do is I would make sure when I roll them out, before I put my sauce and my toppings, is have some aluminum foil, roll it out, put it on the aluminum foil, and then put your sauce and all your toppings so you can pick the whole thing up at once and put it in the oven. Okay, all my little baking bears, that's today's episode of Cliffles, the Baking Bear, how to make pizza dough quick and simple at home. See everybody later.